Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on all messages notification on your notification settings. Easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find notifications. Click on it. Here as you see you will find all messages. Click like this, and that's it. It will be turned on. That's how to turn on all messages notifications on your account on Discord. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.